In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get voice chat in Minecraft using a mod called Simple Voice Chat. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just have them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you want to talk to your friends directly inside of Minecraft instead of using something like Discord, what you're going to want to do is get a mod loader. The one that I personally recommend is Fabric Loader, and you may already have this installed. If not, and we're just going to assume you don't, open up a web browser of your choice, and what you're going to want to do is go to fabricmc.net and hit enter. Go ahead and select download on this page, and then it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Select downloads for Windows, and you're going to see it download the Fabric installer, where you're going to want to simply go ahead and select it just like so. It's going to load for a second. Make sure you have your correct Minecraft version selected, and then go ahead and select install and then hit yes. Now, if you have the Minecraft loader open, go ahead and close out of it and then go ahead and reopen it in order for it to install correctly. But from here, you can back out of this option. And now we're going to need to download the mod itself, and the best place to do this is on curseforge.com. So go to curseforge.com, select Minecraft, hit browse all, and this is where you're going to want to search for your mods. And the mod that you're going to want to search for is just called Simple Voice Chat. Hit enter and it's going to pull you up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select this top option right here and then select files. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Filter it specifically by the latest game version, and then you can filter it by the Fabric mod loader since that's what we just downloaded. Then select these three dots and select download file. It's going to take about 5 seconds on this page. Just ignore everything on here and it's going to auto download for you, and it looks something like this. Wait for that to download, and then from here, what you're going to want to do is actually open up the Minecraft launcher. And once you open up the Minecraft launcher, just wait for it to load. And you should see that it says Fabric Loader down here. If not, just select this and select Fabric Loader, and then go ahead and select Installations up in the very top and find that Fabric Loader. Select this Installations folder section, and it's going to pull up a File Explorer page that looks something like this. Scroll down on this page until you see mods and open it up. From here, you're going to want to open up a separate File Explorer page, and on that separate File Explorer page, navigate into your downloads, and then just drag that voice chat Fabric mod in just like so. After that, just back out, and then go ahead and go back to this play section. Once again, confirm that it says Fabric Loader here, and hit play. And it's going to load into Minecraft for you. And then once you're in your game, you just have to press V on your keyboard to open up the voice chat menu. From here, you can go into your settings, choose your activation method, and make sure that your microphone is unmuted. You'll actually see a microphone icon appear when you talk, essentially meaning that voice chat is working. But that is it. That is how you can get voice chat here in Minecraft. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.